Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Apple Pay in Qatar. Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments using your Apple device. To get started, you will need an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest operating system, a compatible bank card, and a supported device. First, you need to add your bank card to Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign and follow the prompts to add your card. You may be asked to verify your card details with your bank, and this is a normal part of the process. Once your card is added, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments. To do this, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment is successful. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the payment terminal. You will hear a beep and feel a vibration when the payment is successful. Apple Pay is widely accepted in Qatar, and you can use it to make payments at many retailers, restaurants, and online merchants. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases within apps and on websites. To use Apple Pay in apps, simply look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and tap it to complete your purchase. You will not need to enter your card details, and the payment will be made securely using Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay is not only convenient, but it is also secure. Your card details are not stored on your device, and your transactions are authenticated with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. In Qatar, many banks support Apple Pay, including Qatar National Bank, Qatar Islamic Bank, and Doha Bank. You can check with your bank to see if they support Apple Pay and to learn more about any specific requirements or restrictions. In conclusion, using Apple Pay in Qatar is easy and convenient. By following these steps, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. With its wide acceptance, security, and convenience, Apple Pay is a great way to make payments in Qatar.